Hello, my name is Rickard and I come from the great country Sweden. I always loved to draw as a kid. I drew when I was 10, I drew when I was 15, I drew when I was 18. I started drawing when I was 18 again, on and off for 2 years, and now I'm 20. Holy fuck! I have been drawing consistently for 8 months. I mostly learned from YouTube and Skillshare. Mostly Skillshare. Throughout this video you will learn how to draw the skull using the Loomis method. You will also learn how to make the drawing pop to the viewer. This class is for students with 0 experience, so you can start if you are a kid, an adult, anywhere between life and death. So this class is good for anyone who wants to draw, any hobbyist, any aspiring artist who just want to try something new. This class is also good for portrait drawings and overall improvement in your art. Another way you can use the skills which I teach in this class is to make the drawing pop. And this skill you can apply to not only the skull, you can apply to many other different objects that you want to contrast. By the end of this class you will be able to draw the skull with the Loomis method, and you will make the drawing pop and stand out to the viewer. So thank you for listening to this introduction, and I hope you will learn something new, or at least enjoy this class. Thank you.